Hey, I'm Jasmine with WTI, and if you have a little one, you probably know all about bruises and bumps from your little one, having little accidents around the house. This Arnica Gel from Mustela is such a lifesaver. Now that my 1-year-old is running all over the place, he falls all the time. He just scraped his knees at the park the other day, and I knew I needed to put on this Arnica Gel as soon as we got home. Also, when he bumps his head and sometimes he gets a goose egg or something like that, we always apply this Mustela Arnica Gel, and so far it has helped us out tremendously. I love the gel consistency. It has a cooling effect and it's really easy to apply. So if you're looking for something to help your little one's bumps and bruises get better quicker, you're going to want to check out this Arnica Gel from Mustela. It's such a great product to have on hand, and that's my point of view.